Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a Nikah frame at home. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need a picture frame, perhaps an 8 by 10 inch or 11 by 14 inch size, along with some sturdy cardstock. Don't forget decorative items like small artificial flowers, ribbons, or even some glitter glue. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you have all you need for your beautiful creation. Now, let's move on to the design phase. You can use a simple word processor or graphic design software to create your certificate layout. Include the names, date, and a beautiful verse or two from the Quran. Once your design is perfect, print it onto your chosen cardstock. Make sure the print quality is high, with clear, sharp text and vibrant colors, as this is the heart of your frame. With your design printed, it's time for assembly. Carefully cut out your certificate, ensuring it fits perfectly within the frame's opening. Gently place it inside, making sure it is centered and straight. Now comes the fun part, embellishing. You can glue on small artificial flowers, perhaps 3 or 4, or add a delicate ribbon border. These personal touches truly make your frame unique and special. Finally, let's prepare your beautiful Nikah frame for display. Before closing the frame, give the glass a good clean to ensure there are no smudges or dust. Double-check that all your decorative elements are securely attached and arranged just as you like them. Now, find a special place in your home, perhaps on a mantelpiece or a wall, to proudly showcase your handmade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.